Make a great choice today with the 2007 Matrix. Fuel efficient and practical, the Toyota Matrix boasts a cavernous 48.9 cubic feet of cargo space and convenient anti-slip rubber strips in the cargo floor. The 1.8-liter dual overhead cam, 16-valve four-cylinder in Matrix features dual independent variable valve timing with intelligence, allowing cam timing to be adjusted to suit a broad range of conditions. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, rear window defroster, tachometer, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.